and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey, have you noticed? Many content creator and graphics designing industries are under high pressure due to the demand for high-quality content and quick turnaround times. With the rise of social media and digital marketing, brands are constantly competing for attention and trying to stand out. This means that content creators and designers are often expected to create more content than ever before, in short amounts of time, without sacrificing quality. The pressure can also be due to the fact that content creation and design work can be subjective. Clients may have different preferences or vision for their content, and it can be challenging to meet their expectations while also staying true to your own creative process. Additionally, the industry is constantly evolving, so content creators and designers need to keep up with new technologies and trends. This requires continuous learning and adaptation, which can add even more pressure. Overall, the high pressure of the industry can lead to burnout and stress among content creators and designers. It's important for individuals and companies to prioritize employee well-being and find ways to better manage workloads and expectations. And even after spending so much time and effort, you still don't get the desired results. No engagement, no leads and no sales. Your content don't convert, your business go down. And even there's no time to start over again. Your clients just ignore you, leave your business, website or your social media posts without even stopping for a second. It's frustrating, it's annoying, and it holds you back from growing your business. I can understand the desperation you're feeling. So what is solution? Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives. It has become an important tool in a wide range of all industries. AI Klicks is a useful tool for content creators and marketers because it can help to streamline content creation processes, make content more engaging and personalized, and improve content performance. Specifically, AI can be used to automate content research, generate headlines and summaries, optimize content for search engines, and even create content itself. By leveraging AI technology, content creators and marketers can create more effective and efficient content campaigns that ultimately drive better results. Recently, I've been testing out an app that's been a game changer for me. I'm excited to share my new ChatGPT secret weapon with all of you today. Using ChatGPT, it is now super simple and easy. All you need to do is enter a topic or keyword related to your niche, and the AI tool will generate high-quality content based on your input. You can also specify the tone and style of the content, so it matches your brand voice. Once you have the content, you can edit and refine it as needed before publishing it on your website or social media platforms. Say goodbye to the frustrating learning curve and costly pre-written prompts, and hello to instant, mind-blowing results. So let me introduce you with a brand new, innovate and AI-powered way that can create high-quality content instantly. Turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing, stunning content instantly in one click. Create unlimited content for your blogs, websites, ads, social media posts, sale pages, email swipes and many more. User-friendly layout, no technical skills required. Save thousands of dollars on costly writers, freelancers and outsourcers. Proven and tested AI method that's generating tens of thousands of views and commissions to even newbies, people with no skills, and no talent. Free commercial license include to help you start your own content writing agency. Low one-time price, launch period only. So skyrocket your traffic, leads and sales with AI Klicks in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword or phrase. Select unique styles and click Generate. Step 2. Our AI instantly creates amazing content. Click to copy. Step 3. Paste directly to use anywhere you want and skyrocket your traffic, engagement and sales. No need for searching any professional scriptwriter. Forget about paying high content writer fees. Don't waste any more time for brainstorming. Don't waste time and money for the perfect stock image. No need to get pressure of copyright strikes and DMCA warnings. Just by turning simple keywords words into traffic-generating unique content instantly in one click. And it's already happening. Every day, more and more people are turning to artificial intelligence, AI, for creating unique content for their blogs, social media posts, YouTube videos and precious graphics. In this new era, the AI revolution is fast becoming the new normal in the all social media, business promotion and many more. So if you don't keep up, you're going to be left behind. Yes, you need it now, and you don't want to take any risk and let your competitor win. Time is money, and AI Klicks gives you success in true meaning by saving your time and budget, as well as giving quick results. Everything you will need to boost your work is right at your fingertips. Take a look at what you can do and how to get started. Tweet generator, IG hashtag, Facebook post, Quora answer, LinkedIn post, email content generator, email subject lines, cover letter, blog intros, blog ideas, blog outline, blog post, article writer, story generator, article rewriter, grammatical error fix, product description, website title, meta description, meta keyword, FB ads text, Google ads, Quora ad body, video title, video description, tag generator, video ideas, YouTube intros, YouTube outlines, image generator, audio transcript, code generator, and many more. Produce exceptional content 10 times faster with AI Klicks. From copywriting and blog articles to SEO content and product descriptions, AI Klicks all-in-one tool ensures plagiarism-free and SEO-optimized work. Create emails, ads, and many more with ease. But I am not stopping with just this, because I want you to succeed with your online business. Therefore, I am going to help you out even more by offering 10 additional bonuses that can help increase your results. Fast Action Bonus Number 1 Video Bubble WordPress Plugin. Fast Action Bonus Number 2 Infinite Grid Pro WordPress Plugin. Fast Action Bonus Number 3 Stylish Social Media Pack. Fast Action Bonus Number 4 Stylish Instagram Post and Stories. Fast Action Bonus Number 5 Premier Library. Most handy effects. Right now, during this special launch phase of AI Klicks being available to the public, we've discounted the cost of access massively. That means you can get started today with very little one-time payment, and experience the full power of AI technology. AI Klicks all-in-one content solution for just pennies on the dollar. But we should warn you, the discount won't last long. This one-time offer is valid for first 100 buyers only. Plus, every day the price continues to rise, and once the timer runs out on this page, you'll be charged yearly or monthly. Or both. That's why it just makes sense to claim your access right here and now.